Need some more?
Butter on there?
The one they give to her? No, they're plain with a little ketchup.
Jen, this is very good.
Good.
Did you follow the recipe?
Good for your knee. Actually, I've been making this for many years in case you
I
haven't.
know, but this is particularly good.
I improvise.
Because you're different. It's,
Didn't wash his hands.
Supposed to be ham and cheese. I put bacon in there.
oh yeah, there it goes.
I forgot to buy a ham.
Do it with bacon for now on.
This is a bacon
Cooking
cheeseburger
is
in
an art.
disguise.
Baking is a science. Just go around.
Me and Kid are gonna cook cookies tonight.
You're gonna cook cookies because I bought the cookies and you cook them because you make them better than anybody.
Neither one of you are making cookies tonight. I'm just gonna put on time.
I'm not cooking shit. I'm in the bacon.
Let me tell you how to do it.